Welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we're reviewing the Nuna PIPA Lite RX. This is the newest car seat in the Nuna PIPA series and offers some great features. Let's get started. It's a rear-facing car seat that can fit babies from 4 to 32 pounds and up to 32 inches tall. The car seat itself weighs only 6.9 pounds because its shell is made with aluminum and Aeroflex foam. It has a removable UPF 50+ canopy with a flip-out eye shade and a peekaboo window. It also features the improved Dream Drape to provide extra shade. The fabrics themselves are lightweight and naturally flame retardant without any added chemicals. Also, the removable infant insert is made of environmentally friendly merino wool and a blend of other comfy natural materials. This handlebar features a brown luxe leatherette accent, and the car seat itself comes in 4 colors: caviar, frost, timber, and granite. In terms of travel, this car seat is commercial airplane certified. It also connects with all Nuna strollers to create a stylish travel system. Another great addition to this car seat is the magnetic buckle holders, which makes getting your child in and out easier. There are 2 ways to install the Nuna PIPA Lite RX: directly into your car or using the provided Relax base, which has a few notable features. It has 4 recline positions. It has a 4-position adjustable latch system. It also has a locking 3-piece stability leg. This leg has a wide range of adjustment to fit most vehicles, including middle seats. Next, we'll show you the 3 installation methods. The base and latch system. First, start off by pulling the stability leg out from the bottom. Rotate the rigid lower anchors out from the storage section of the base and place the base onto the vehicle's seat. Use those rigid lower anchors to attach the base securely to the vehicle seat until the indicators turn from red to green. Now push the base into the crease of the vehicle seat so that the anti-rebound panel is flush against the seat. Extend the load leg to the floor of the car until it locks and the indicator turns from red to green. Now you can attach the Nuna PIPA RX by simply placing it onto the base until it locks. Just make sure that you adjust the recline positions depending on the size of your baby. The base and seat belt. Start by opening the belt lock-off. You'll see the lap belt path marked in blue. Pull out the vehicle's seat belt and route the lap belt through those markers. Buckle the seat belt. Make sure to route the shoulder belt diagonally through those dark blue path indicators. Pulling out all the slack, then close the belt lock-off. Lock the seat belt itself and check your installation to make sure the car seat does not move more than 1 inch from the seat. Now you can attach the Nuna PIPA RX by simply placing it onto the base until it locks. The car seat and seat belt. First, place the car seat on the vehicle seat and make sure the blue level line is parallel to the ground. Next, pull the vehicle seat belt out and thread it through the seatbelt guide on the side of the car seat. Pull it through to the other seatbelt guide on the opposite side of the car seat and buckle it into place. For additional security, use the European belt path located on the back of the car seat. To use it, pull out the shoulder belt and pull it through the back of the car seat. Thread it through the European belt path and guide it around the car seat. Then make sure the seatbelt is in locked mode. While pushing down on the child restraint, pull up on the shoulder belt to remove all the slack from the lap belt. Check for stability. The car seat should not move more than 1 inch from the seat. Thanks for watching. The Nuna PIPA Lite RX is an excellent addition to the Nuna family. We know you'll love its easy installation and foolproof safety features. To shop the PIPA Lite RX or other Nuna products, go to babycubby.com. We offer free shipping on orders of $25 or more. To learn more about a different Nuna car seat, check out this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you want to hear more about the products we sell. Thanks for watching.